Do you want to get better results from AI? I found this tip from Google that breaks it down to one simple framework. It's called Task, Context, References, Evaluate, Iterate. First, task. Tell the AI exactly what you need. But here's what most people miss: they forget to add a persona and a format. Instead of saying, write me a speech, try act as a professional speechwriter and give me a 30-minute speech on AI tools for my marketing presentation. This is way more specific and has way better output. Next, context. This is where you add the details. There's a big difference between give me presentation topic ideas and give me 5 presentation topics that will resonate with an audience of digital marketers. Context changes everything. Then references, give the AI examples to work from. Past speakers, current news, trending tools, things you excel at. The more you give it, the more useful the output. Now, evaluate. Ask yourself if you got what you needed. Don't worry if you didn't, because the last step is iterate. Tweak your prompt, add more detail, try again. This is where the magic happens. The order doesn't matter as much as the substance. As long as you're being intentional about what you put in, what you get back will surprise you.